Hi, my name is Josh Irvin. I'm here today to be doing a UltraRail install on this metal roof behind me here. SnapNrack's UltraRail product is the first open channel rail in the market. We're going to be going through the install of the CorruBracket 100T. This all comes pre-assembled for you as an installer. No need to be fumbling around with parts in the field, putting this all together. We'll also be installing our silver mid clamps to match the silver rail and silver components that we're using, and our UltraRail end clamp that is also silver, aesthetically pleasing. Now that we've gone through the parts, let's get on the roof and do the install. Get this ready here. Having that pre-assembled makes this really easy. Now that the mounts are in, I'm going to snap in the rail and get ready to lay down these modules. You'll hear it snap right into place. I'll do the same on this side. Snap these right into place, slide these into the rail, and they will snap right in the spot. So our mid clamps will go into the rail prior to putting the modules down. Now that I have those in place, I'll slide my modules into place. Make sure that gets under the mid clamp. Make sure that's in line with the next module. I will lock down the mid clamps. Since I'm at the end of the rail, I'll just slide that right in. Tighten down each side. Our universal end clamp tucks in underneath the bottom frame of the module. It also hides underneath the module for those wanting that aesthetic. Lift up the module and keep tension here as I tighten this. Now that I have that locked down, you can either pull off completely or tuck any excess under the rail. Now that the end clamps are secure, I will snap in my end cap. One of those will go on the end of every piece of rail. Now that the end caps are in, you can see our installation is complete. How amazing was it to have everything pre-assembled, cut down on our installation time, and made this super easy.